Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hot Rod High School. And today we are going to be using this Snap-on tire balancer. She's an old one on how to dynamically balance a tire. So, same as using the Atlas tire machine, we got those three measurements that we have to input for this particular tire machine. This one's operating in the standard system of measurement, though. So, let's go ahead and get started. First item that it's asking for right here is wheel diameter. So I'm going to figure out what the diameter of my wheel is, same as on the other machine. Let's go ahead and read that off of the side of the tire. So this tire is a P215-70R14. That last number is the one that I'm after. So I'll set this up to read 14 for my wheel diameter. Next, it's going to ask for the rim width. And I will pull off my measuring tool here and measure right on the area of the rim where the weights get installed. And this one's measuring at 5.5 inches. So I'll take and spin that up till it says 5.5. Perfect. Last, we have our offset. So we need to measure how far away this tire and wheel assembly is sitting from the machine. And we got 6 inches is our offset. So take and set that up just like so. Perfect. Now we're ready to spin the wheel and figure out how out of balance it is. This one doesn't have any automatic spinner on it, and so you actually have to spin it by hand. And once you've spun it fast enough, it'll make a beep sound. It'll tell you, don't go any faster. And then it'll start calibrating and balancing. Okay. So this particular tire and wheel assembly, we get it around to where all the lights pop up over on this side, over, this side of it over here. We see that it wants 1/4 ounce of weight. And honestly, a 1/4 ounce of weight is not very much. Going down the road, the customer probably wouldn't even feel that being off, but we like to see all perfect zeros. So we'll go ahead and just fix that up. So we'll take our 1/4 ounce weight and just like the other machine, putting it perfectly in line with the spindle when we install the weight on here. Okay. Now, spin it over a bit more. And we see that this outside one wants me to place 1.25 ounces of weight to get the outside to be balanced. So once again, we get it steady there. And we'll take our weight and put it right at the top of the rim. Right there, perfectly in line with that spindle. And hammer our weight on. Now we got to respin it and see if everything came up in the right spot. Yeah, we got perfect zeros all the way around. So this tire has now been dynamically balanced. Basically the same process, just on a different tool.